In this video, I will review and describe best 3 teeth whitening kit.
Crest 3D Whitestrips Vivid Plus Teeth Whitening Kit. Crest 3D White Vivid Plus Whitestrips include 10 treatments of Crest Vivid Whitestrips and an additional 2 treatments of Crest 1 Hour Express Whitestrips to help you reveal a brilliantly whiter smile. Crest Vivid Whitestrips remove 5 years of tough set-in stains. Their no-slip grip means the strips stay put until you take them off, allowing you to talk and even drink water while whitening your teeth. You'll see a whiter smile after 3 days, and full results in 10 days. And when you need some last-minute teeth whitening, 2 treatments of Crest 3D Whitestrips 1 Hour Express are included so you can experience a whiter smile in just 1 hour.
This is Cali White Vegan Teeth Whitening Kit with LED light, made in USA. While the end goal might be a brighter smile, it's just as important to feel good about the process that got you there. Luckily, this powerful whitening gel is not only strong enough to whiten your teeth at least 2 shades brighter in just 1 week, but it also uses a vegan, gluten-free, organic, and kosher formula that's free of parabens and sulfates. You'll also rest easy knowing the mouth tray uses BPA-free plastic, has adequate ventilation, and is designed to minimize gum irritation. Plus, it can easily be attached to any LED light, including the 5 LED lights included in the kit.
Here the main feature: Crest 3D White Professional Effects Whitestrips. Lasts 12 months and beyond. Use once a day for 30 minutes. Removes 14 years of teeth stains for a whiter smile. Do not use this light device if you have oral cancer, are being treated with photodynamic. Delivers professional level teeth whitening results. Advanced seal technologies. No slip grip, stays put so you can talk and drink water while whitening teeth.